went to the gate. Now we have to go to another gate because they switched gates for a third time. Good evening from Munich Airport. We're here. Cindy's still here.
Hello.
I didn't ditch her along the way. But
Was there a chance I was gonna get ditched?
no chance.
No information.
Let's make that clear. There was no chance. We're in Munich Airport. Seen this airport, so in London shortly.
Couple hours.
Sounds like there's a lot of wind, which should make it
Yeah.
quite an
They
interesting
call it
landing.
wind disruption on the weather app.
Yeah.
60 to 70 mile an hour gusts.
Landing was smoother than expected. We went out today to get some Starbucks. It was windy and rainy, but the sun is starting to come up now.